Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate time in Google Sheets. Now I have this sample table right here that we're going to be working with today, and let's just go ahead and try to figure something out. The first thing that we're going to do really is change this format from 12 hour to or from 24 hour to 12 hour, and to do that we can just highlight all of these, head over to format, number, and then we're going to go ahead and choose time. Now, if I do that, you can see that it's automatically going to be changed to a 12-hour format, and you should see AM, PM here. Now, for the total, you are going to highlight these first, and we're going to change the format here to duration. So you can click that, and then we can start doing the process. So you can just go ahead and equal, and then you can go ahead and click at this one, and then minus it to the time in. So if we are going to click enter, you should be able to see that now we have the duration. Now, if I'm going to go ahead and drag this formula to the other days, you should be able to see everything and get the same things for the other days. So, yep, that is how you're going to calculate time in Google Sheets.